Well, let's begin with the big story this morning. The government is bracing for the conclusive day of the FDI debate in the Lok Sabha. Now, picking up from yesterday's heated exchanges, the debate will resume today and later end in voting. Now, even as the government is confident of its numbers, all eyes will be on the Samajwadi Party and the BSP. Will Mulayam Singh Yadav and Mayawati help the UPA sail through? Let's wait and watch.
The battle lines in the FDI debate are drawn.
सोनिया जी, हमारी सरकार तो मात्र 6 बरस रही है और गैर कांग्रेसी सरकार इस देश में 10 साल से कम रही है, मगर 50 में से 30 साल तो नेहरू गांधी परिवार का राज रहा है। अब किसको सुना रही थी?
So when we sit here and we look towards you, we look beyond you to those who we need to serve. When you look towards us, you look at these seats when you will come here. That is the difference between you and us.
And the action continues on Wednesday when the debate will culminate in a vote. The government confident of its numbers with indications that one of the two big Uttar Pradesh parties may bail out the government.
The BJP has already conceded defeat on the vote. Sushma Swaraj had a very interesting statement in her speech, in the early part of the speech, that we are not here to necessarily win the vote, but we are here to persuade you. Because she knows and they know that the vote in the Lok Sabha tomorrow is going to be against them. What kind of isolation is that?
The opposition completely negating the argument and highlighting the government's isolation.
You know, I have never seen a minister be so much on the back foot and defensive, where he says Walmart will hardly be coming to India. Now, if they are not going to get place to open, if they are going to open stores 20-30 kilometers away from the main city, why are they going to come here in the first place?
And the men who can influence the debate giving conflicting signals.
सोनिया जी से कहेंगे आप कितनी भी सफाई दें, कितना भी तक दें, लेकिन ये देश के हित में नहीं है।
यदि केंद्र सरकार के हिसाब से अपने देश में खुदरा बाजार अर्थात किराना के क्षेत्र में एफडीआई लागू करने से यहाँ के किसानों व छोटे कारोबार में लगे लोगों तथा यहाँ के आम जनता के हित के साथ साथ अपने देश की भी अर्थव्यवस्था में काफ़ी सुधार आ जाता है, तो फिर हमारी पार्टी आगे चल करके इस पर विचार जरूर करेगी।
Bureau Report, Times Now.